That's an important one to watch, so please do that before starting the course. This Blender course has a really fast pace. We have fast cuts and you get to know Blender in a really fast pace, which first of all is a really positive thing. But at the same time, you'll certainly come to the point where you feel frustrated because of the pace and you can't keep up with it. So this is my advice for you for this course. Instead of feeling frustrated, please go back in the video to re-watch the part you didn't really understand. And you can also decrease the pace of the video playback. That's gonna help you a lot. The reason why we created this course in a fast pace is because we wanted to make you have the best student learning experience as possible because of the efficiency. Creating a course like this requires a lot more effort than creating a course with a low pace with not a lot of cuts, because the editing part takes a lot less time. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always go back in the video to re-watch a part you didn't really understand, and also you can decrease the playback speed of the video. And now have fun with the course, and I hope you will have an awesome learning experience.